Check out this Oldsmobile that just came in. 1988 Cutlass Supreme Classic. Possibly one of the most popular body style Oldsmobile Cutlass Supremes that were made. Used to see these around in the 80s all the time. Very nice, luxurious cars then. This is the Cutlass Supreme Classic because in 1988, later in the model year, the Cutlass was never to look like this again. When they made it smaller and they switched to front-wheel drive, and as many Oldsmobile purists believe, they kind of messed up the beautiful Cutlass Supreme that they'd been making for so long. This particular car came to us from Arizona. Very nice car. The other thing that's unbelievable about this, it was adult owned and maintained and has 29,000 miles on it. If you take a look at the underside pics of this car, which can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, the floor pans in this car, you can still see where they have the original paint on them. They have not been undercoated. All you have is a little surface rust on the axle, which is extremely normal on any type of vehicle, no matter how old it is, let alone one that's 30 years old. But yeah, go ahead and check it out. And I'm going to show you the interior of this too. I'm sure a lot of people think 29,000 miles, no way. But when I start showing you some of the things on here, it is unbelievable. So 29,000 original miles. It also has a clean Carfax history, no accidents, does confirm the miles. There's no readings above that on the Carfax. The tires were replaced in this car as well as the muffler, just due to age. 2016, 2017, so they're only a few years old. As you can see, the tires are Uniroyals in very, very nice shape. Still riding on the original wheels. Just everything's pretty much stock about this car. Let's go ahead. I'm going to show you the interior. Take a look at this. There's the door cards. And if you know a car that gets any sort of miles or a lot of use or window down or arm up there, you're going to start to wear that. It's going to start to get oily, greasy, grimy. It will not look like this. The other thing is, take a look at this seat. It's not worn unusually for a 29,000 mile car. It's not cracking from someone sitting in and out and in and out and in and out down in that vinyl on the sides. So it's got the split front bench seat to it. Let's take a look at the headliner and everything in here. The other thing I'm going to show you is this is the floor mats that are covering up the floor mats. So take a look at this carpeting. I mean, still unbelievable for a 30-year-old car. But again, low miles, and all these things point towards that being true. From the Carfax to the underside pics to how the seats are worn. Check out the dash, no cracks, looks just like new. Check out the steering wheel, no unusual wear like you'd have on the high mile cars. Just unbelievable kind of time capsule. Let's go ahead and start it up. Great running, great starting car. It is power steering, power brakes, AC. I'm gonna slip around the back so you can see it's just a stock exhaust, runs nice and smooth. Nothing crazy there. Again, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. And or tell you what, give us a call if you'd like to inquire about this, like to know more about it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. 1988 Cutlass Supreme Classic. Last year they made this body style, called it the Classic, before they switched over to that front wheel drive, smaller Cutlass Supreme. Beautiful car, 29,000 original miles. Came to us out of Arizona.